Alright guys, in this video I am going to review on Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G phone. So hey guys, I'm Ikhtier and you are watching ARZONE. So if you not subscribed yet, please subscribe this channel and turn on the notification. So without wasting any more time, let's begin. Okay guys, Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. Its display type is dynamic AMOLED 2x display size is 6.8 inches, resolution is 1440 into 3200 pixels, and processor is Exynos 2100, and operating system is Android 11, and internal storage is 128 GB, 256 GB, and you will also find 512 GB, and RAM is 12 and 16 GB. Front camera is 40 megapixel, back camera is 108 megapixel, and you will also find colors that is phantom black, phantom silver, phantom titanium, phantom navy, phantom brown, and also navy. And battery capacity is 5000 mAh, charging is 25 hours fast charging, and its price in Bangladesh is 1,39,999 taka. So that is the video. Subscribe this channel and hit the notification icon so that you can find many kinds of latest technology news in this channel. And if this video is interesting, you can subscribe or like this video.